Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in. My name's Royce and today we are talking about TUG, the magnetic breakaway plug by I Love Handles. And if you're asking, what's a magnetic breakaway plug? Well, I'll just show you. Got it right here. It is literally a magnetic breakaway plug that snaps on and off, just like that. Now, if you're wondering, cool, but what's the whole point of this? If you remember, or if you still have a Apple laptop that has the Magsafe power connector, the one that literally just snaps on to your laptop. So if you trip over the cable, it just snaps right back off without pulling the whole laptop with it. You know, those were good old days. In the arms of the angel. But really what this is, it's kind of a supplement for that, especially if you have if you have any of the newer Apple laptops that doesn't have it because they switch over to USB-C. But aside from laptops in general, anything that can be plugged into a wall outlet can benefit from having this, because you see there's two parts to it, two connections. So one plugs into the wall, the other snaps into this. You plug whatever you're trying to plug into this part, and if you bump into it, trip over the cable, it just snaps off like that. You don't have to worry about breaking anything. So to show you guys how it all works in action, I have my trusty light here, the Pixar light. And then I'm bringing this up so we don't have to go to the floor. I'm gonna plug this in here. Bam, tugs right there. Plug our trusty old Pixar buddy in the other way. Bam, we got light. Now, pretend my hand's my foot, just trudging along. Hey, crazy, oh. See, this just comes out. And then you're just like, oh, hey, that wasn't so bad. Just plug it back in. On and popping. But say for instance, you got one of those new Apple laptops and you got one of these guys. This is the 61 watt charger, and you want to plug it in here. Well, let's see. Nice. Actually holds some weight. Not too bad. Oh, well, see. I didn't think this was going to be strong enough to actually hold this brick, but I think it's like if you back away slowly and you just don't touch anything, it works. Just, I wouldn't trust it. I wouldn't trust it. This is 61 watt. So, I mean, I highly doubt the 87. Let's just try it. Let's just see. All right, here we go. 87 watt charger, and nah, that ain't working. So there is a weight limit, and it is not about this big fat brick life. So this isn't gonna work. But there is a workaround. If you replace this part here, dang, I'm just banging tables. So if you replace this part here, get yourself one of these extension cords, and so this started off, this cable's supposed to be white. So if you look this up on the internet, you're gonna see a white cable, you're not gonna see a brown cable, because I don't know what happened. Life clearly got to this, because this looks disgusting. So the goal is, take this, connect it like that. You plug this part, which is a lot lighter, in there. You're charging. It's golden. Yep, sturdy, good to go. And if something happens, oh no, that's all you gotta worry about. So there is a way. If you have this, the extension cable. Like I said, it's cool because literally anything that plugs into the wall can now have the benefit of a breakaway plug, which is sweet. And that's just of how TUG works. If you want to learn more, you can go to their site, ilovehandles.com. Learn more about TUG. It goes for $19.95. They also got some other cool products on there. So yeah, so pretty much 20 bucks. Now the thinking is, okay, 20 bucks to have one of these. Okay, cool, could be useful. Would I get a bunch of these though and have them plugged around and being able to utilize them for a whole bunch of stuff? That I don't think really is necessary, because then, you know, that's actually getting very expensive for what this thing is, even though it is cool. I would say if you guys want to mess around with it, maybe just get one to have that capability. If there's some things that you just know, like, okay, I really need this, that makes sense. But other than that, I wouldn't really say getting more than one. One definitely can be useful, but you know, based off of your use cases. And that wraps everything up with TUG. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name's Royce. If you like this video or you found it helpful in any way, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any other questions that I didn't actually answer in the video, please leave a comment and we'll talk it out and try and figure it out together. But yeah, that is it. So until next time, I will catch you later.